so we're working on building 12 right now with the foundation. Usually you want to start with all your deferred work before you come in and start doing all your pretty stuff, because if you do the first stuff last, it'll mess up all your pretty work. So we're going in, we're working on the foundation on building 12. We had a lot of stair stepping in the building. It was extremely obvious. So we went in, we started there, and then we're going to move on to a handful of other buildings at the property. And then after that, we're going to start the real fun stuff. But putting down piers, it's not something you want to do, but it's something you have to do to protect your asset.